ولا تقتلوا أولادكم خشية إملاق نحن نرزقهم وإياكم إن قتلهم كان خطأ كبيرا.
Do not kill your children for fear of want. We will provide for them and for you. Surely, killing them is a great sin.
ولا تقربوا الزنا إنه كان فاحشة وساء سبيلا.
Do not even approach fornication, for it is an outrageous act and an evil way.
ولا تقتلوا النفس التي حرم الله إلا بالحق ومن قتل مظلوما فقد جعلنا لوليه سلطانا فلا يسرف في القتل إنه كان منصورا.
Do not kill any person whom Allah has forbidden to kill except with right. We have granted the heir of him who has been wrongfully killed the authority to claim retribution, so let him not exceed in slaying. He shall be helped.
ولا تقربوا مال اليتيم إلا بالتي هي أحسن حتى يبلغ أشده وأوفوا بالعهد إن العهد كان مسؤولا.
And do not even go near the property of the orphan, except that it be in the best manner, till he attains his maturity. And fulfill the covenant, for you will be called to account regarding the covenant.
وأوفوا الكيل إذا كلتم وزنوا بالقسطاس المستقيم ذلك خير وأحسن تأويلا.
Give full measure when you measure, and weigh with even scales. That is fair and better in consequence.
ولا تقف ما ليس لك به علم إن السمع والبصر والفؤاد كل أولئك كان عنه مسؤولا.
Do not follow that of which you have no knowledge. Surely, the hearing, the sight, the heart, each of these shall be called to account.
ولا تمش في الأرض مرحا إنك لن تخرق الأرض ولن تبلغ الجبال طولا.
Do not strut about in the land arrogantly. Surely you cannot cleave the earth, nor reach the heights of the mountains in stature.
كل ذلك كان سيئه عند ربك مكروها.
The wickedness of each of that is hateful to your Lord.
ذلك مما أوحى إليك ربك من الحكمة ولا تجعل مع الله إلها آخر فتلقى في جهنم ملوما مدحورا.
That is part of the wisdom your Lord has revealed to you. So do not set up any deity beside Allah, lest you are cast into hell, rebuked and deprived of every good.
أفأصفاكم ربكم بالبنين واتخذ من الملائكة إناثا إنكم لتقولون قولا عظيما.
What? Has your Lord favored you with sons and has taken for himself daughters from among the angels? You are indeed uttering a monstrous lie.
وَلَقَدْ صَرَّفْنَا فِي هَذَا الْقُرْآنِ لِيَذَّكَّرُوا وَمَا يَزِيدُهُمْ إِلَّا نُفُورًا.
We have expounded the truth in diverse ways in this Quran that they might take it to heart, but all this only aggravates their aversion.
قُلْ لَوْ كَانَ مَعَهُ آلِهَةٌ كَمَا يَقُولُونَ إِذًا لَابْتَغَوْا إِلَى ذِي الْعَرْشِ سَبِيلًا.
Say, O Muhammad, had there been other gods with him as they claim, they would surely have attempted to find a way to the Lord of the throne.
سبحانه وتعالى عما يقولون علوا كبيرا.
Holy is He, and far above all that they say.
تسبح له السماوات السبع والأرض ومن فيهن وإن من شيء إلا يسبح بحمده ولكن لا تفقهون تسبيحهم إنه كان حليما غفورا.
The seven heavens, the earth, and all that is within them give glory to Him. There's nothing but gives glory to Him with His praise, though you do not understand their hymns of praise. He is most forbearing, exceedingly forgiving.
وَإِذَا قَرَأْتَ الْقُرْآنَ جَعَلْنَا بَيْنَكَ وَبَيْنَ الَّذِينَ لَا يُؤْمِنُونَ بِالْآخِرَةِ حِجَابًا مَسْتُورًا.
When you recite the Quran, we place a hidden barrier between you and those who do not believe in the hereafter.
وَجَعَلْنَا عَلَى قُلُوبِهِمْ أَكِنَّةً أَن يَفْقَهُوهُ وَفِي آذَانِهِمْ وَقْرًا وَإِذَا ذَكَرْتَ رَبَّكَ فِي الْقُرْآنِ وَحْدَهُ وَلَّوْا عَلَى أَدْبَارِهِمْ نُفُورًا.
And we place a covering on their hearts so that they do not comprehend it. And we cause a heaviness in their ears. And when you mention your Lord, the only true Lord in the Quran, they turn their backs in aversion.
نحن أعلم بما يستمعون به إذ يستمعون إليك وإذ هم نجوى إذ يقول الظالمون إن تتبعون إلا رجلا مسحورا.
We are well aware of what they wish to hear when they listen to you, and what they say when they confer in whispers when the wrongdoers say, "You are only following one who is bewitched."
انظر كيف ضربوا لك الأمثال فضلوا فلا يستطيعون سبيلا.
Just see how strange are the things they invent about you. They have altogether strayed and are unable to find the right way.
وقالوا أئذا كنا عظاما ورفاتا أئنا لمبعوثون خلقا جديدا.
They say, when we are turned to bones and particles of dust, shall we truly be raised up as a new creation?
قل كونوا حجارة أو حديدا.
Tell them, you will be raised afresh even if you turn to stone or iron.
أو خلقا مما يكبر في صدوركم فسيقولون من يعيدنا قل الذي فطركم أول مرة فسينغضون إليك رؤوسهم ويقولون متاه قل عسى أن يكون قريبا.
Or any other form of creation you deem hardest of all to recreate from. They will certainly ask, who will bring us back to life? Say, He who created you in the first instance. They will shake their heads at you and inquire, when will that be? Say, perhaps that time might have drawn near.
يوم يدعوكم فتستجيبون بحمده وتظنون إن لبثتم إلا قليلا.
On the day when He will call you and you will rise praising Him in response to His call, and you will believe that you had lain in this state only for a while.
وقل لعبادي يقولوا التي هي أحسن إن الشيطان ينزغ بينهم إن الشيطان كان للإنسان عدوا مبينا.
Tell my servants, O Muhammad, to say always that which is best. Verily, it is Satan who sows discord among people. Satan indeed is an open enemy to mankind.
ربكم أعلم بكم إن يشأ يرحمكم أو إن يشأ يعذبكم وما أرسلناك عليهم وكيلا.
Your Lord knows you best. He will have mercy on you if He wills, and chastise you if He wills. We have not sent you, O Muhammad, as an overseer over them.
وَرَبُّكَ أَعْلَمُ بِمَنْ فِي السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضِ وَلَقَدْ فَضَّلْنَا بَعْضَ النَّبِيِّينَ عَلَى بَعْضٍ وَآتَيْنَا دَاوُودَ زَبُورًا.
Your Lord knows all who dwell in the heavens and the earth. We've exalted some prophets over others, and we gave the Psalms to David.
قُلِ ادْعُوا الَّذِينَ زَعَمْتُم مِّن دُونِهِ فَلَا يَمْلِكُونَ كَشْفَ الضُّرِّ عَنكُمْ وَلَا تَحْوِيلًا.
Tell them, call upon those whom you fancy to be your helpers instead of Him. They have no power to remove any affliction from you, nor can they shift it to any other.
أولئك الذين يدعون يبتغون إلى ربهم الوسيلة أيهم أقرب ويرجون رحمته ويخافون عذابه إن عذاب ربك كان محذورا.
Those whom they call upon are themselves seeking the means of access to their Lord, each trying to be nearer to Him. They crave for His mercy and dread His chastisement. Surely your Lord's punishment is to be feared.
وَإِن مِّن قَرْيَةٍ إِلَّا نَحْنُ مُهْلِكُوهَا قَبْلَ يَوْمِ الْقِيَامَةِ أَوْ مُعَذِّبُوهَا عَذَابًا شَدِيدًا كَانَ ذَلِكَ فِي الْكِتَابِ مَسْطُورًا.
There's not a town but we shall destroy it, or upon which we shall inflict severe chastisement before the day of resurrection. This is written down in the eternal book of Allah.
وَمَا مَنَعَنَا أَن نُّرْسِلَ بِالْآيَاتِ إِلَّا أَن كَذَّبَ بِهَا الْأَوَّلُونَ وَآتَيْنَا ثَمُودَ النَّاقَةَ مُبْصِرَةً فَظَلَمُوا بِهَا وما نرسل بالآيات إلا تخويفا.
Nothing hindered us from sending our signs except that the people of olden times rejected them as lies. We publicly sent the she-camel to the Thamud to open their eyes, but they wronged her. We never send our signs except to cause people to fear.
وَإِذْ قُلْنَا لَكَ إِنَّ رَبَّكَ أَحَاطَ بِالنَّاسِ وَمَا جَعَلْنَا الرُّؤْيَا الَّتِي أَرَيْنَاكَ إِلَّا فِتْنَةً لِلنَّاسِ وَالشَّجَرَةَ الْمَلْعُونَةَ فِي الْقُرْآنِ وَنُخَوِّفُهُمْ فَمَا يَزِيدُهُمْ إِلَّا طُغْيَانًا كَبِيرًا.
And recall when we said to you, O Muhammad, that your Lord encompasses these people, and that we have made that vision that we have shown you, and the tree accursed in the Quran, but as a trial for people. We go about warning them, but each warning leads them to greater transgression.